All right. So tonight I am actually going to talk to you about a powerhouse product, a powerhouse natural dietary supplement that is actually revolutionizing the wellness industry. And this rising star, this rock star, shooting star that I'm going to talk to you about tonight is called Regenerate. And yeah, it's just mind-blowing, the kind of science that is involved in this. Now, I'm just going to put a big old plug in here for Canada, as this is been developed by a Canadian scientist. He is a medical doctor. His first degree was actually in kinesiology, which I love because that is really the study of the human body and all its pathways and all that kind of thing. So when doctors come from that background, they are really grounded in making your body healthy, making your body optimal, function optimally, and really trying to find natural ways for you to be the healthiest person possible. But this guy didn't stop there. Franco didn't stop with a medical degree. He's got this background in biochemistry, and he is just on the leading edge of developing products that are really blending the nutraceutical world with the pharmaceutical world. So we're taking practices that have always been, touted and hyped by the pharmacy world, and we're putting that science, that measure of control into the nutraceutical world. So we are seeing massive changes, and it's making people take notice. It's making Health Canada take notice of what's going on here. So I am going to talk to you about Regenerate and why you should really be paying attention to the technology that's here and what this is all about. So I have never seen anything like this on the market before. This is a turmeric curcumin product that really is this powerful drink that is just packed full of life-changing supplements. So I'm going to break it down for you and explain to you why this is different than any curcumin product that you have seen so far on the market, okay? So first of all, let's just talk about curcumin, because there's some things that we really need to understand here, all right? So curcumin is the bioactive substance in turmeric that does all of the anti-inflammatory work, that does all of the fighting at the molecular level. So we need to get curcumin absorbed into our bodies. And you know what? Doctors and scientists have known the power of curcumin for generations. But the issue with curcumin is that it is not easily absorbed or assimilated by the body. So essentially what that means is when you're putting it into your body, you're just passing it along right out, because we can't break it down. We can't absorb it and break it down and use it, unless we get something that's going on in this product right here. So if you were to research curcumin in any medical journal, in any medical publication, you would learn that it is a superfood. It is absolutely nutritionally dense. It is just packed full of antioxidant. It is so healthy for you. It's really groundbreaking in the fight against many forms of Alzheimer's disease. So when you think about brain diseases, there are, I shouldn't say Alzheimer's, I should say dementia. There are 200 forms of dementia out there, probably even more. Parkinson's, Alzheimer's being one of them. Those are the most sort of well-known ones. And there's very little science in comparison to, say, the big names, like, say, cancer and stuff like that, because honestly, it's considered an old person's disease. And then a lot of people just think, well, okay, people are at the end of their life and, it's just the way it is. That's what happened to them. Well, I disagree with that. And I think that we could do a lot of work in the world of fighting brain disease. And honestly, sometimes this stuff is early onset, where it happens to people in their 50s and they find out that they have these kinds of degenerative brain diseases. So this bears paying attention to, and curcumin is hugely important to the fight against brain disease, slowing it down and whatnot. So a great way to protect your brain is to be able to consume curcumin, but actually absorb it. Okay, the other area where curcumin is breaking ground is in the fight against cancer. Look into medical publications and you will see that it is very powerful against many forms of cancer. It also is really important in the gut health journey and also inflammation. So I'm here today to talk to you specifically about inflammation and why this product really needs your attention. Okay, so when you break down curcumin, there are 3 curcuminoids that make up curcumin. Now, curcumin 1, when we look at most products on the market, curcumin 1 has an absorption rate about 80%, 75 to 80% of curcuminoid 1 can be absorbed by the body. So when you see these products on your grocery shelf and whatnot, that's typically what they're talking about when they talk about absorption of curcumin. It is curcuminoid 1. But in order for curcumin to work efficiently in your body and really cause change, you don't just need one curcuminoid, you have to have them all. Now, curcuminoid 2, in most extracts, it's got about a 10% absorption level. Okay, that's quite a bit different, all right? Now, curcuminoid 3, which is the real powerhouse, the real part of curcumin that you really want, in most products, it has a 0.2% absorption rate. Now, that is not enough to even make a drop in a bucket. It's basically not doing anything for you when you absorb curcumin in that state, right? So this is where this product right here comes into play. So this particular biochemist lab, what it has is a patented pharmacology, and they call it curcuminoid bio-BDMC. Doesn't matter really what the name is. What you have to understand is that they have engineered technology to deliver a minimum of 30% of curcuminoid 3 to the body so that it can actually be absorbed and assimilated by the body. That is huge. That is a big breakthrough. That is a very important number because that is the minimum amount of curcuminoid 3 that you need in your body to get the health results that curcuminoid can deliver, right? So, that's what's in here, guys. And so I want to break that down for you and talk a little bit about that. So when we look at the blending of the world of the nutraceutical world and the pharmaceutical world, just know that that means that there's going to be third-party testing, there's going to be clinical studies, and the process of science is going to be the same. When you look up a PubMed and just look up curcumin in general or some of these natural ingredients in general, what medical publications want to say is there isn't any good science here. And what they mean by that is the process in the lab that determines the testing, that determines, you know, the outside verification that this is valid, that this is true science. That's what they're talking about. So it has been this doctor's lifelong passion to actually move that science into the nutraceutical world so that those medical journals actually have to stop saying that, okay? So that we can say, we have solutions here for you. And guess what? There are no bad side effects, right? If you listen to the pharmacy kind of advertisements that are on TV, some of them deliver like kidney disease, the stopping of kidney function, almost to the point of death. Like that is the side effect that you can see in a lot of pharmaceuticals that are advertised on TV. So the natural dietary supplementation world is very attractive to so many people because it doesn't come with those side effects, right? So now we're putting this great science, patented pharmacology of this curcumin product, you know, into natural dietary supplements. All right. So in the test, this product in the clinical studies is 14 times more powerful than ibuprofen and aspirin at fighting inflammation. Now that's powerful, okay? So that's just one of the things we need to look at. Now we also need to stop and have a little bit of a science lesson or biology lesson so that you can understand, why does that matter to my body? Why should I care about curcumin and its ability to fight inflammation? Like, make that make sense to me, make it real. Okay, you have regulatory proteins in your body and their job is to regulate inflammation. Their job is to be working in a manner that supports your body in a good function so that it can actually stimulate your immune system to fight off disease, to fight off viruses and things that cause inflammation in the body. That's what these regulatory proteins, that's what their job is to do. But here's the problem. There are a couple of regulatory proteins that can go rogue, or their job goes negative, all right? They start working against the body. And when that happens, your body starts to fight against itself. So I'm just going to talk about those. For example, there's a regulatory protein called NFKB, and that is one in particular that if your life is not managed, if you're not watching your stress, if you're not, taking care of your diet, that it can actually switch on you and become a pro-inflammatory response in the body rather than anti. So it supports inflammation rather than fights it. Okay, that's one of them. Another one, which is particularly nasty, is the protein MSK1. All right, that's another regulatory protein. It's supposed to stimulate your immunity, but it is stress affected. So when you come under extreme stress, it can just cause a trigger to go off in your body where all of a sudden that becomes a bad protein and it starts getting your body to attack itself. And you end up in a storm of inflammation. You end up in a cytokine storm where you are in pain almost continually because of what's happened to the body. So how does that relate to curcumin? Well, in the science labs with good science, what the doctors are saying is that curcumin, particularly curcuminoid 3, when it is absorbed at a rate of 30%, it actually can switch it back. It can stop that cytokine storm and make that regulatory protein that went rogue on you start to work in your favor once again. That is huge, folks. If you think about inflammatory pain, sometimes it comes in the form of, joint pain and whatnot. For other people, it's more of a nerve pain response, right? So when we start to be able to control that through something like this, that doesn't have the side effects of the pharmaceutical drugs, that's pretty powerful and that's pretty exciting. So curcumin BDMC is the technology, the patented pharmacy technology that delivers curcuminoid 3 into your body to do that. And folks, that is our product. It is patented and we have the rights to it, and that's what you're getting right here at Be Epic with Regenerate. So the other thing that is so powerful, why this is working, is I want to talk to you about antioxidants and free radicals. Okay, so when you put bad stuff into your body, whether you're breathing it in, whether it's on your skin, or whether you're drinking or eating it, so often it comes from the toxins like fire retardants on your pillows and your mattresses, or like aspartame, Diet Coke and whatnot, or fake food like Cheese Whiz. Free radicals are unstable atoms that get into your body through those kinds of means. And what happens is they're missing electrons. They have an uneven number of electrons. Well, why do we care about that? Those atoms are seeking the missing mate, right? They're always going to look for the missing mate. And you know where they find it? In your healthy cells. So they latch on to a cell in your body that is healthy to get that missing electron, to pair it up. And you know what they do? They make you sick. They damage those cells. They slow them down. Those cells don't rejuvenate properly, and they present in your body first as aging, then as inflammatory pain, maybe bloating, and eventually disease. All right. So it's really important to understand what free radicals are and what antioxidants are. And our whole program, we are full of antioxidants, but nothing like what's in here. And I'm going to talk about the power of the antioxidant that is in here. Okay, so when you think about your body being under oxidative stress, this is when disease presents in the body. And you never know, what disease you're predisposed to getting. Each person is unique. But what happens in oxidative stress is that when you're in it, your free radical levels are way up too high and your antioxidant levels are too low. So what you want to do in terms of what you can control is make that antioxidant level go up, 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 so that it has a chance to fight the oxidative stress, the number of free radicals that are in your body. Okay, so when the free radicals are high and the antioxidants are low, sickness presents. So if we can just move that up and flip that, then we can start to fight disease, all right? And so that's why we look at things like curcumin and all those great fruits and vegetables, those superfoods, because they're so loaded in antioxidants, right? And so when you put those antioxidants into your body, why does that matter? They provide the missing electron that free radical needs. So when they provide it, they neutralize it. And it lets go. It's neutralized. It's no longer slowing down your cell. It's now taking it out. It's like a gun. Bang, you're gone. All right. So now all you got to do is take like Restore or something like that, drink a ton of water and flush that out of your body. But first you need the power of the antioxidant to deliver that bullet to the free radical. Okay. So why are we so concerned or excited about this particular product and its antioxidant level? Well, ORAC value is the scale or the measure that determines what's the antioxidant load, like how much antioxidant is in here. Why should I drink this versus eating a berry or, taking that juice or something like that? Well, this one in particular, this is something I have never heard of. Most curcumin on the market has between 4,500 and 9,000 ORAC value. Okay, so that's just how much free radicals or issues can it absorb? How much antioxidant power is in it? Well, this one listen to this number. This one has 6 million per gram. What would you rather have? 4,500, 9,000, or 6 million? I think you can do the math, all right? So when you look at that load of antioxidants and see how you can get rid of those free radicals from your body, well, what that is also going to do, those free radicals, they're causing that storm. They're causing that stress that causes that storm. They're causing that stress that causes that regulatory protein to go rogue, right? So you can help yourself out a lot if you start eating really clean, you know, taking the natural dietary supplements that help your body detox itself, help your body flush that stuff out of itself. But of course, you need the ORAC value, you need the antioxidant to be that gun to neutralize some of that stuff so it can actually be removed from your body. So that's the power of what you're seeing here in this particular product. So curcuminoid 3 delivered in that level, right? This is just like changing the market. This is unheard of in the wellness industry. So this is absolutely a superstar. Now they didn't stop there with curcumin, all right? Powerhouse curcumin. What they did is they added collagen to this miracle food. Why do we want collagen? Most of us know that collagen is supposed to do something with youth, and that's true. It is the most prevalent protein in your body. Unfortunately, when you're in your late 20s to early 30s, your production of collagen is decreased by 75%. That is massive, and that's why we start aging in our 20s, because our collagen production goes way down. And the harder you live and the harder you are in your body, the more that stuff goes down. And so then, you know, well, it decreases by 1% per year after that. So if you go 25, I'm cut by 75%. That means by the time I'm 50, which is about my age, I'm not even making it. So what I have to do is find a way to get collagen into my body, because that's the connective protein. That's the part where all that jiggly stuff and saggy stuff and the big wrinkles comes from, and the hair looks brittle and the nails aren't growing, because we're not producing collagen. And so they went and put it in this. So now you have not only an anti-inflammatory, but you've got an anti-aging product, which is going to build up the cells. So if you've had, you know, cells that are decreasing in number, maybe it's in the joints or whatever it is, this is going to help reconstruct some cells for you. Now, they didn't stop there, all right? The other thing that they did is they introduced an ingredient called hyaluronic acid. And this is like incredible. If you do the research on this, so this clear gooey substance, it's naturally produced by the body. But again, as we age, the production of it goes down and it's not as full. It's not as prevalent. What it does is it brings water to the surface of the cells. Okay, so think about a lettuce leaf that's in the bottom of your crisper and it's all dried and floppy and saggy and looks old and wrinkled. It's, you know, like skin. So what this does, what hyaluronic acid does, is it brings the water to the surface. It's like turgor pressure. You take that stalk of celery and put it in a glass of water and all of a sudden it firms up and it gets crunchy again. That's called turgor pressure, and that's what hyaluronic acid does to your cells. So if you think about all those tissues, those connective tissues, that gooey stuff that needs to be around your joints, you know, part of your eyeballs, and also in your skin cells, hyaluronic acid makes that plump up and makes, I mean, women pay hundreds of dollars to have hyaluronic acid in their facial creams because they know how powerful it is. And so that is also in this product, all right? So, of course, this is a chai tea flavored drink, and we have many ways that you can make this into some wonderful concoctions. It's just amazing. But we didn't stop there, okay? We have one more key ingredient in Regenerate, and it's called Glyvia. Why am I so excited about this? Because to make food taste good, scientists have two options: sugar or fake sugar, all right? Artificial sweeteners. Now, real sugar is a problem. It raises your acidity, it feeds cancer cells, it causes impact on the carb load and therefore your blood sugars, it causes issues for diabetics, people who are on a weight loss journey. So we don't want to be drinking calories. We don't want sugar. But then if we go and reach for an artificial sweetener, I mean, a little bit, maybe it's not going to hurt you too much. But if we're dumping this into our body all the time, or not this, but an artificial sweetener into our body, well, that's part of that free radical problem, right? It's actually not food. It's not real. And the body doesn't know what to do with it. And then it produces that atom that's unstable. So we don't want all these artificial sweeteners in our body. Well, this brilliant scientist, all right, he developed Glyvia. It's a patented product. It is 100% natural, and it is a sweetener. but it has zero impact on your carb load, right? So no increased carbs, no increased calories. So if you're somebody who just, doesn't want the sugar, that's great. If you're in the keto world, this is a fantastic product for you. All right, because keto, you have to keep your carbs so low. So again, we have this patented technology that can really help maintain or balance the carb load, balance the blood sugars, so that you're not drinking in too many sugars and too many calories. So this is Regenerate. At the end of the day, what do you have? Well, you've got this luscious chai flavored tea drink. You can have it cold or hot in your coffee, or different kinds of teas, an almond milk, a vanilla flavored one. It's just fantastic. But what does it do? Well, it's anti-aging. It provides immune system efficiency. It provides relief from chronic inflammation and joint pain. It preserves healthy bones and healthy joints, and it's sugar-free, so it's got zero carb load. I mean, that is brilliant science, okay? And so one of these a day is extremely powerful. I know some people have two, but you know what? If you take one of these and pair it with Be Immune Plus, which is made by the same scientist, you're going to have some amazing power, inflammation fighting tools on your hand. All right. Now, that's what I'm going to geek out about next Friday. I'm not going to talk about Be Immune Plus tonight. So stay tuned, because I want to tell you why adding Be Immune Plus to your day with Regenerate is just going to create optimal health results for you.